Restaurantcleaning.com.au. Commercial kitchen cleaners. Sydney, Brisbane, Melbourne, Canberra and Australia-wide. Can Traglin service you where you're located?
We go from Sydney to Cairns, Western Australia, Victoria, South Australia. Unfortunately, we're not in the Northern Territory, although down the track we obviously will end up there. But most of the time we've gone as far as Karratha, which is 8 hours out of Perth, to clean for KFC and also McDonald's and the Woolworths store up there. So we do whatever we can and we go wherever we can to help out our clients.
For more information about commercial kitchen cleaning, commercial kitchen cleaners and restaurant cleaning, go to restaurantcleaning.com.au.